Hi, I'm here today to show you the difference between stitched in basting stitches for English paper piecing and when you don't use the basting stitches and you use like a glue stick instead and there's no stitches, it's held by glue. So as you can see, all these are done with me using basting stitches to hold the paper in place, whereas this piece there's no stitches. See, there's stitches, no stitches. I used a glue. Now the question I often get asked is, what's the easiest to take out? The stitches or the glue? Well, here, I'm going to show you, because I have stitched pieces and I have pieces here that have no glue, so it's really easy. You just pull the fabric gently back. I use my fingernails, scratch it back, and then you can get your fingers under and take out the paper all the way around. I find this the easiest method. Of course, it's even easier, holding a camera. You just pull the pieces out and whammo, you get a piece out. Whereas when you're doing, I'll do another big piece so you can see the difference. Where's one here? When you've got the basting stitches, it's really hard. You've got to find the stitch and break it. Then sort of, I know there's probably easy ways, but I like to do them all at once. So you slide it down and you've got to pull the stitches up. I know they're probably going to say just find an end and do it, but in reality, I'm outside doing it. As you can see, it's so much slower for me. You've got to find every stitch, undo them, and then you pull it out. Oh, I missed a stitch somewhere. See? So much harder. There, you get it. And then look, you weigh your paper down a little bit, because as you can see, you've got the holes where your basting stitches were. And on where it's glued, you have no holes. So this paper's going to wear out quicker. Up to you. What do you like? Do you like doing the basting stitches with all the cottons and threads? Or do you like the gluing method? And just the glue sticks. And by the way, you can just use normal everyday school glue, but when you're taking the glue out, this bit, it doesn't come off as easily and it ruins the papers. So if you need to reuse your papers, yes, go the more expensive EPP glue guns, pens, or whatever they're called. But if you're not going to reuse your papers, because for whatever reason you don't want to, just go a normal glue stick. They come off it's just as easy as this, but they sometimes pull the paper up, making this a little bit thin. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick video. Do you like the English paper piece? Show me. Tell me. Alrighty. Thanks. Bye.